people. So there is this show called Bewafa Si Wafa on Alt Balaji, and people, I think, see, Alt Balaji produces so many shows, right? But there are certain shows that once you begin watching, you need to watch it till the end. I mean, very few of these series have it, and Bewafa Si Wafa is one of them. And uh, I mean, Samir Soni, the actor, is I mean, in the movie, he's in the series, he's cheating on his wife. But there is something about this gentleman that you can't see him in the negative light. You know, it's like you would almost justify for him or his character and all. When in fact, it is shown that he's in a very quite a happy marriage, and Dipanita Sharma is the other is plays his wife. And Dipanita Sharma has that certain therav. It's a like, even if she's doesn't have any dialogues in that particular scene, you tend to look at her because I don't know, maybe it's something to do with her aura. So I mean, really, like, I truly hope this it will have a season 2, I guess, because it's a murder mystery that has been entwined in this story that is essentially about adultery. But you all should watch it, people. It's called Bewafa Si Wafa, and that's what Aditi Vasudev, who's the female protagonist, along with Yudhishthir. This, he was an Channel V VJ. They play this other couple in the, in the series, and there's also that very modern marriage where one partner, like, even if the wife is caught cheating, the husband forgives her, which is very it's it's actually reflective of today's times, which is really good. I mean, when you see it on screen, you realize we've actually evolved as a society. uh, so try and catch it, people. It is a show so worth watching, because that's what Samir Soni and Dipanita Sharma, and and that's what Yudhishthir, they bring a certain dignity to their characters. So amazing show to watch. So you can catch it on Alt Balaji and make use of this time during the lockdown. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.